Pwede kayang gumawa ng cocktail gamit ang Slurpee? Tara, try natin. Okay, meron na tayo ditong dalawang klase ng Slurpee. Yung isa as orange, yung isa is strawberry. Tatry kong gumawa ng tatlong klase ng drink. Dahil ang consistency ng Slurpee ay parang frozen margarita, ganun ang gagawin kong drink. Inspired by margarita. Ang una natin gagawin ay orange margarita. Gagamit tayo ng tequila. About 30 ml of tequila. And then yung ating orange Slurpee.
Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest. Put me to the test and expect nothing less.
Okay, next gagawin naman natin yung strawberry margarita. Again, tequila. And then our strawberry Slurpee.
It's time for progression. Could try to play but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.
Okay, finally, yung pangatlo, gagawa ako ng parang piña colada. Pero wala akong pineapple. So, ang gagamitin natin ay orange colada. Ibubuhos ko na yung natitirang orange Slurpee dito sa highball glass.
When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him. Instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till.
And then instead of grenadine, ang ilalagay natin Sting. This is Sting strawberry flavor.
Break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time.
Nice.
You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off.
And
what
then
do you
our
like? Make a
garnish
clean job.
is
No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free
lemon.
thoughts.
We're gonna cut our lemon.
But you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. Don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
Okay, game, tikman natin. This is the orange and tequila. Sarap. Next is the strawberry and also tequila. Lasang gamot. Naglasang cup syrup yung combination ng alcohol, ng tequila at saka ng strawberry. Para kang umiinom ng Robitussin. Cup syrup na strawberry flavor. Okay, I don't like this one. Yung orange and tequila is good. Okay, next is the orange and white rum combination with Sting. Wala pala akong straw. Can you get me straw? Okay, masarap din to. I like this. And if you like this video, please hit the like button sa baba. And then comment down below kung gusto nyong gumawa pa ako ng mga kakaibang drinks na kagaya nito. Mag-iimbento pa tayo ng mga kakaibang drinks. Okay? Sundan nyo lang ang mga ginagawa ko dito sa Clueless Bartender. This is 7-Eleven Slurpee cocktail version. Cheers!